Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Spicy Kitchenary. In this video, I'm making vanilla moist sponge cake. For this, I'm using 4 large eggs. For this specific cake, we don't need to separate egg whites and egg yolks. Beat it well with the help of hand blender. Blend it well. Then add half a cup of oil. Beat it again. Now I'm adding 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. I'm adding in 3 parts so it can blend well. Beat it well until it's fluffy. I'm adding 1 1/3 cups of milk. Beat it again. I'm using 1 3/4 cups of cake flour. Sift it really well so there's no lump in it. Here I'm using 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Two tablespoons of vanilla extract. If you don't like the strong flavor of vanilla extract, just add 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. I'm pouring my cake batter in a pan. I used a little bit of oil and parchment paper so my cake don't stick to the pan. I'm using skewers to help remove the air bubbles. Gently tap for 3 to 4 times. Bake it at 350 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Vanilla moist sponge cake is ready. Let me know in the comment section how it goes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.